What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be working on the GSX and we're going to be installing some more carbon fiber parts in the interior. So these are going to be the, I believe they're called the kicker panels for the side of the center console. Going to be replacing the old gray ones with these. So all we got to do is just untwist the shift knob here. Just like that. And then we have to pop this out really quick. So let's see. I just put a new clip in this one the other day, so it's gonna be a little hard to take off. Hold on. There we go. And then after that, mine doesn't have any bolts holding it in, so it should just come right off. Let me get you guys a better view here. Let's see. So once we're down here, all you gotta do is pop this cap off right here. It comes off easy. And then we got these Phillips head bolts. There's one. And then there's another one over here. Alright, so I took off the driver's side one. Here it is. And then here's the replacement one right there. But this one is different. Looks like it has a clip here. Another little like thing where it clips in right here on top too. And this one only has the 2 screws. So that's gonna be the only thing holding this whole piece together. So we will see if it actually fits. All right, so we're just gonna throw it on. All right, guys, so it's about like 2 days later and I finally got this on because I had to dig through some bolts that I had, because this one right here, the hole where the bolt goes through didn't match the size of the bolt that was on there, so it was loose. So I had to get a thicker Phillips head screw. As you can tell, that one is bigger than this one, but the one back there, I don't know if you guys can see it, did fit. So that's how it fits. The fitment's pretty good on this, not gonna lie. So yeah, the driver's side is done. Now I just got to get to the other side and I'll show you guys how to do that. All right, so to take off the passenger side, all you need is a flathead. Pop this guy out. There's gonna be a Phillips head screw in here. Just untwist that one, just like that. And it looks like I'm missing the back one. Yeah, that one's missing. And then if we come over here, if you guys can see that, there's a clip right there. And we're just gonna pop this out like so, just like that. And then we should be able to lift this right out, I hope. Let's see. go. Got that one up. And then I have my replacement one over here in carbon. So it should be the same thing, just putting these two bolts back on. Good thing I have an extra one for that side from the other side, but it looks like that bolt hole is thicker, so I'm gonna have to get a bigger size bolt for that one. And then this one is the same, so that one fits. I don't know why on each side one of the holes is bigger than the other one. I'm not too sure, but the previous owner looks like they put like a stereo system in this. There's a bunch of cables everywhere. Yeah, that sucks. Gonna have to figure that out one day. Take everything apart and remove all those, and then put back like the OEM stereo back in here. But for now, I'm gonna look for a bolt that fits that hole. All right, so I got this side in. It was kind of a struggle to get like wiggle it in with the seat in the way, but if you don't have the seat in the way, it'd go in fine. But the only problem is that hole back there doesn't line up to the hole where the OEM one is supposed to mount. So I was only able to put one bolt through. But yeah, it's snug. I mean, it's not gonna go anywhere. So yeah, all that's left is to put the bezel back on and then throw the center console back on and see how it looks. All right, so both pieces are on. Also the pin, I tried putting double-sided tape on that pin and like stick it together, but it's not gonna work. It's just gonna be, this side's gonna be held on by one bolt, this side's gonna be held on by two. But other than that, everything should be good to go. Alright guys, so this is how it came out. The fitment could be a little better. I don't know if it's just this piece, since it's older, I believe, than the side panels. But other than that, like right here, there's like a gap. I could just put some double-sided tape and like raise it a little and like squish it together so it looks a little better. But other than that, it's not too bad. Looks pretty good on this side too. There's a gap, but it's carbon fiber. Nothing's ever gonna be 100%. What I could do is drill out those holes for the bolts so I can move it more, so it can move closer to me and the gap might close. So yeah, I'll probably do that when I have time, but for now it's pretty good. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these.